Okay, so to be honest, I feel like this is one of those questions within this course that everybody has been looking forward to, because I mean, Venn diagrams, dropping a Venn diagram from all this information, like, the doll is about to dance so hard. But, anyways, let's see. Here it says a research was conducted about driving under the influence of alcohol. Disgusting. Then it says here information obtained from traffic authorities in 54 countries on the methods that are used to measure alcohol levels in a person are summarized below. Here they said, so in total you're dealing with 54 countries. Let's not forget that. That's basically like the sample space. I mean, just the way this is aligned, I mean, we can already see we're gonna draw a Venn diagram here. Like, might as well even draw it, or like the box first. Let's draw the block first. Whew, came out so well. Like, oh my gosh. So here we have a sample space of like 50 what countries? 54. They said how many methods? No. Research is conducted. Information obtained from traffic authorities in 54 countries on the methods that are used to measure alcohol levels in a person are summarized below. Here they said four countries use all three methods. Oh, so there are three methods in total, A, B, and C. So let's jot that down. Had to make an adjustment to the Venn diagram, but it looks very proper now, eh? Looks proper, man. Looks proper. Talking like we're in 2012 here. Proper. Looks proper. Anyways, here it says four countries all use three methods, A, B, and C. So this is the section where everything go together. So here let's label this A, B, and C. So four countries use all three methods. So four countries use all three. So where all three meet, we put four people there. And then here it says 12 countries use the alcohol content of breath A and blood alcohol concentration, which is B. So basically what they're trying to say is 12 countries use both A and B. Now here you need to be careful with things like this, because when they say stuff like this, what that means is this 12 here, they mean where A and B meet. You see here there's this portion here of B. So this is just a super short video for me to answer all the questions that have currently been coming in about the poster, the sale, yada yada yada. Yes, it's 100% real. You are able to make a purchase for the All Access Pass once off for that fee, but this is only valid between today, the 30th of August, until the 2nd of September. You're able to make a purchase between those days for that price. Afterwards, it goes back to its original figure. The good news is you will have access all the way until December, meaning you'll have access to the online courses now for your prelims, and then you'll also have access to the online courses for your final year exams in November. If you're having any issues paying on the website, you can just reach out via the contact details and we will be able to assist you with the banking details. But those are also on the website, by the way. And then there's this portion here of A. If they say that 12 countries use A and B, it means that these two here add up to 12. Meaning that, you see, 12 minus the 4 here should give you 8. Because 8 plus the 4 should give you 12. You must know that. So you have just gotten insight on that. So let's move on. Here it says 9 countries use B and C. I mean, forget the names. The names are useless here because all we need is just A, B, and C. Here it says 9 countries use B and C. So meaning where B and C meet, those numbers should add up to 9. You see, meaning here, you see here, this is a portion of B. There we go. You see, the blue part is where B and C meet. They said that should add up to 9. That's what it means. So here 4 plus the 5 here is going to give you a 9. Let us keep moving forward. 8 countries use B and no. Oops. 8 countries use the 8 countries use A and C. It's much easier to look at it that way. So where A and C meet is technically here, and these two, they should add up to 8. So already there's 4 here, meaning there should be 4 there. This is how you see that Venn diagram and drawing it. Super duper easy stuff. Because look here. The next portion says 21 countries use A, meaning everything inside A here should add up to 21. So already here this is 8 and 8. So that's like 16. 21 minus 16, it's like a 5. Because everything here should add up to 21. You see. Oh, do not forget that. Do not forget that. Then here they said 32 countries use B. So automatically you know what that means. It means that everything here should add up 32. You see. So here you have 9 plus 8. That's like 17. So 32 minus 17. Or let's just say 32 minus those numbers here one by one. So that you don't make a mistake. We're getting 15. So this is definitely a 15. And then here they said C. 20 countries use C. So wait, 20. Yep. This one is actually quite an easy thing now that I think of it. It's because this plus this plus this plus this should add up to 20. So it's like 9 plus 13. Yeah, 9 plus 4, that's 13. So this is going to be a 7. Yep. Now the big idea here is all these numbers here plus outside there, everything should add up to 54. You see, meaning here, don't worry about this 20, this 21, and this 32. Those don't count. We're talking about numbers in the Venn diagram, meaning outside these 3 circles, right, there's obviously one number, which is countries that don't use any of these 3 methods. That number out here plus all these here should add up to 54. So let's put that number out here by saying 54 minus all these numbers here. That's giving us 6. So meaning the number that has to go out here is a 6. There you go. See, everything here is going to add up to 54. So you've drawn your Venn diagram. Uh-oh. I didn't see this. I've done double the job. I'm so not lazy and I've done double the job. I think I'll just leave it because look, I can actually just use it to compare my thingy because I actually forgot about this down one here. But look at, yeah, everything here looks fine for me because I just labeled mine A, B, and C. Already in the middle here there is 4 and then there's already a 15 somewhere. There's already an 8 there, which is this value. Yeah, and then there's already a 6 outside, so I might as well just take this information here and then just throw it in there. Because that's what they want us to do here. They said below is a partially completed Venn diagram representing the information, blah, blah, blah. For 4 marks, it says we should use, we should determine values for A, B, C. We should determine values for like D, E, F, and G. So, yeah, this one's going to be easy now because there's already a 4 here. And let's actually look nicely here, otherwise we're going to mess up nicely. So here there's a 15. There's already a 15 there. That's for B, right? Yeah. So for B there is 8, 4, and 5. So here 8, 4, so this has to be a 5. Because that's what's happening here. 8, 4, and 5, and 15. 8, 4, 5, and 15. For C, there's 4, 4, 5, and 7. 4, 4, 5, and 7. And then for A, there's like 4, 4, 5, and 8. 4, 4, 5, and 8. Yeah, that was pretty simple. Nothing crazy here. We can actually just move on to the next question now because actually let's just make it one big one because why not? Why not? Now, with all that we've done, right, you see here they said, well, let's just make it a different lesson.